Kindly confirm if you can be able to hear me. Okay. Thank you. Good evening, students, colleagues, lecturers, and everyone else in this meeting. It is with great pleasure that I take this opportunity to welcome you freshers or first years to the University of Nairobi, which is a world-class university committed to scholarly excellence as well as personal excellence, not just for scholarly purposes. And as you begin this journey of pursuing your bachelor's degree in the field of astrophysics and space science, my name is Dorothy Museo, one or two courses. So today, as I welcome you to the University of Nairobi, as someone who once, not long ago, was where you are seated now. Well, 10 years ago. I don't think that is long ago. I was seated where you are. I was filled with excitement after completing high school, and I've now joined the University of Nairobi. I was filled with curiosity and a bit of nervousness because it was my first time even being to the city, a girl from the village. I did not know what I was expecting for the 4 years that I'll be doing my bachelor's. I was just so green, but I was eager to see what the bachelor's degree was going to take me. Just a little bit of myself. I did my bachelor's degree in education, science, combinations, mathematics, and physics. So I'm a teacher by profession. And when I was joining, we used to have analog registration, not like now. So we used to have registrations where we used to go for registration where people were seated in a panel. So the last person would ask us like which courses or which combinations are you going to take. So when I got to that, I told the person that I'm going to take mathematics and physics. The staff was a PE teacher, a PE lecturer. So he asked me, "Are you okay? Are you okay? You're saying you're going to take physics?" I told him, "Yes, I'm okay. And I am fine. I am sober." He told me, "Okay, if you consider changing your mind, you can consider taking PE. It's somehow easier." I told him, "No, I have already made up my mind." Then he told me, "Okay, I'm just giving you until next year. Maybe we'll meet and we'll see if you're still doing the physics." Well, I don't remember the face of the person now, but I'm still doing the physics. So this is just to tell you that you may meet discouragements from one or two people along the university or just anywhere or outside when you tell them the course that you are doing. Just stay focused. Just be who you are. First of all, let me congratulate each one of you for passing your high school exams or your A levels exams, and also for choosing this challenging and a rewarding field, the field of astrophysics and space science. Congratulations, you are part of a unique community where, like my colleague Douglas had said, it is a community of thinkers and explorers. It is where people are filled with curiosity. You'll not just study the universe itself, uh, you'll also study the smallest particles that make up a star to the greatest of the scales of the cosmos or the universe. You will hear of words like galaxies and black holes and space and time and everything else. It's all fascinating. So this just to say that your desire to understand, it's just a field that propels you to understand not just how things work, but you'll be questioning yourself why things they are the way they are, and it will push you towards the boundaries of human knowledge. So over the next 4 years or the course of your study, you'll, like my colleague had said, you'll dig deep into the mysteries of the universe, because astrophysics and space science is about studying the universe basically. You'll learn about the life cycles of stars, and just to ask you, did you know that stars are born, they live, and they finally die, just like humans? So the way humans evolve from when they are born and before they are born, there's a process that takes place before the humans are born. It's the same way like stars. They are born, they evolve, and they die finally. So you'll be dealing with things that are not far from what happens in our common society. So you'll talk about the planetary systems and the mechanisms that guide them. You'll hear of dark matter and dark energy and very, very many fascinating theories of the universe. and you will learn about basic or fundamental physics, a little bit of complex mathematics, and you'll also develop some computational skills along the way, which are just cutting edge, not just in research, but as well as for you in society. This is just a field of astrophysics. It's a field that is bound on the foundation of critical thinking, curiosity, and creativity. You'll be able to collaborate with others as well, and it is a process of discovery. So, as you begin the journey here, let me just say science is not a journey of a lone ranger. So, it is a journey that will encourage you or push you towards collaborations and holding discussions, and sometimes some healthy debates. We call them healthy, so that sometimes they may not seem healthy, but they are healthy debates because they will stimulate you to think more than what you just know. So, as you pursue your course, engage with everyone that you meet in the university, get to know your lecturers, get to know your colleagues, get to know, involve yourself in seminars, clubs, societies, because this is a place where you're going to build networks that will transcend not just the academic, but also your personal growth and your professional growth. And as you continue with this course, there are moments that will get a little bit hard, where you'll feel like the math is becoming complex, the calculus may become a little bit complex, the theories will seem not to make sense. But when you get to that point, remember that you are not just alone. We are all here to support you because we have been there, we understand it, and we want every one of you to succeed. So allow me to say, in astrophysics, the sky is not just the limit, it is just the beginning. So keep your passion of discovery alive and never stop being curious. There is a lot here that the universe is waiting for you to discover. Just keep your mind open-minded. Once again, I welcome you to the Department of Astrophysics and Space Science. We look forward to the amazing things that we'll be able to do with you and accomplish in the years to come. Thank you, and best of luck to each and every one of you on your journey ahead. Thank you.